Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're talking about what's included in your cruise fare on Carnival Cruise. Now the fun thing about cruising is the amount of things that are included in your cruise fare. Now granted, things do vary from ship to ship with Carnival alone, but today we're talking about the basics. And one thing I love to tell people is to research their ship and research what is included in their cruise fare and on that ship in particular, because that's very important to know how you're going to enjoy your cruise. Now first up is the stateroom. The stateroom really defines most of the price when it comes to your cruise fare. And there are 4 types of staterooms. You have the interior, you have an ocean view, balcony, and a suite. Now I will do a video going in detail about these different types of staterooms and what's best for you to pick. And each stateroom has its own amenities, its own pros and cons, so we'll definitely get into that in a different video. Some of the differences with these staterooms include the size, whether there's couches or pull-out beds, the number of outlets, and even if you have a view or not. But regardless of what stateroom you pick, this is where you're gonna lay your head at night. And on top of that, there are free requests that you can put in no matter what stateroom you're staying in. And that can be from a mattress topper, having your ice filled daily, or even a fan and extension cord. I'll also make a video on free cabin requests. Next is dining. Now this is the most important thing, at least for me. When it comes to eating on a cruise, there are so many options included and I absolutely love it. It's my favorite part. Honestly, I am most likely eating more than anything on my cruise, okay? I'm eating, I'm sleeping, I'm relaxing, and then I'm running around to what activities I can make it to. But for starters, we have the main dining room. Regardless of anytime dining or set time dining, this is the main dining place. What I love about the main dining room is it's a sit down restaurant you're getting catered to, and I love the ambiance of it. It feels so classy and elegant. It just makes you want to dress up, but it is a great place to eat dinner. Also with the main dining room, each night the menu changes. Each night you can try something completely different that wasn't on the menu the night before. And to take advantage of that, you can order up to 2 of everything, okay? You can order 2 appetizers, 2 entrees, and 2 desserts, and I do it every single time. Especially if you're cruising with someone or a group of people, it's a great way to try out everything on the menu or as much as you can on the menu, because like I said, it changes every night. Even though it's called the main dining room, dinner is not the only thing they serve in there. They also serve breakfast and something called sea day brunch. And sea day brunch is simply brunch during the sea days. Simple as that. And they have special items that they only serve on those sea days. But you can also eat breakfast in the main dining room on port days as well as disembarkation day. Next up is the Lido Deck Buffet or the Lido Deck Marketplace. Now the buffet has so many different options and it changes throughout the day. You can have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and there's even a late night option when it comes to the buffet. This is usually the most popular place that people like to eat throughout the day. There are some people that will eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the buffet and that's it. And that's totally fine because the options are big enough for you to do that. And just like the main dining room, the menu changes on the buffet daily as well. Now, breakfast, on the other hand, is usually the same, but breakfast, you can only do so much with breakfast. But lunch and dinner definitely change each day. And there's also different sections of the buffet like Mediterranean, American, Italian, and it just depends on what they want to put out for the day. Now, next up, Carnival has several order and go options around the ship as well. For example, Guy's Burgers, and if you know, you know, the Blue Iguana Cantina, Pizza Pirate, Carnival Deli, the Mongolian Wok, Shaq's Big Chicken, and many more. And these order and go restaurants are located around the ship, mainly around the Lido Deck, but some are spread out. And again, some ships have more order in restaurants than others, but these are included in your cruise fare. They all have different operation hours and you can eat in them as long as they are open. And on top of that, how could I forget the desserts? There is an entire dessert section that's usually in the Lido Deck buffet, but they have an array of desserts and those desserts like to change daily as well, like the funfetti cake on embarkation day. Don't miss it because they don't put it out for the rest of the cruise. And whatever you do, please get you some cruise cookies. They are delicious. The chocolate chip and the sugar cookie, they look like they're gonna be hard, but you're gonna bite into them and you'll be like, how can something be toasted but soft at the same time? And on top of that, you have the swirl machine with ice cream and frozen yogurt, chocolate and vanilla. And you can wash all this stuff down with complimentary water, lemonade, and tea. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, that lemonade be biting back and the tea is usually unsweet. But they are included. So hey, I gotta let you know. Now, next up, we have entertainment. This is also important because entertainment is what gives you the activities for the day, what to do and what to experience. And again, these experiences vary from ship to ship. Each ship has great entertainment, period. From the live shows, trivia games, comedy shows, dining movies, live music, casinos, and there's so many opportunities to win and buy and try free things like all day long, every day. There is always something going around that you can indulge in for free while you're on this cruise. I love the live productions. They have some very talented people on that ship. The outfit changes, the production set, like they really put effort into these things. Absolutely love it. Again, all free. On top of that, there are theme nights on your Carnival cruise. Again, these vary from ship to ship, but some of the theme nights you'll typically find is like formal night, which is captain's night, where everyone dresses up, and I mean to the nines, okay? Ball gowns, tuxedo suits. Another one is the 80s glow party. This one's ran by the cruise director and people dress up for that theme of 80s. There's glow sticks passing around, 80s music, fun and dancing, and this one's definitely for all ages. It's a great time. There's even a 70s party on board. It usually ends up in the nightclub, but people also love to dress up. And when I tell you people love to dress up on these cruises, they love to dress up, whether it's formal night, 70s night, 80s night. They're dressing up. And then some ships even have an all-white party. I haven't been on a ship yet that has an all-white party, but I can't wait to do so because that one's also a pretty big deal. And for people who are cruising with family and children, there are a lot of things for children that is included in your cruise fare as well. First things first is Camp Ocean. And Camp Ocean is basically like a daycare system for your kids. You can drop them off there. They have activities for them to do there all day long. They get like a little wristband or whatever, and you can bring your kids there, and so they can interact with other kids, and it's a safe place for them to be while you as the parents go and do whatever you need to do. On top of that, you can find the sports complex, which is a huge area for kids to play. You will find pickleball, basketball, mini golf, a large chessboard, and even a rope course. Again, all of this is included. And along with that, they also have the waterworks, which are the slides, the splash zones, and the pools. And they also have clubs for teens. There's something called Circle C, as well as Club O2. And they also offer different interactions, such as the live shows. For example, they have the Palooza Parade, which also leads to the Palooza Play. So there is plenty included for your children to do as well. And that wraps up what's included in your cruise fare. I could really go on and on with this video because there's so many different things, so many intricate details that are also included in your cruise fare, but these are the basics. Comment down below what's your favorite thing to do on a cruise. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like, please give it a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more cruise content. Bye guys.